Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create unlimited Gmail accounts without phone verification, and it is 100% working guys. You need a lot of Gmails to make money online, and you need a lot of Gmail accounts to create a social media accounts like YouTube channels, like Twitter accounts, like Facebook accounts, and so many other things. So let's jump into my phone right now and show you exactly how to create an unlimited Gmail account without phone verification. So I'm on my phone right now, and let's click on Gmail. This is loading. So you can just create account, like choose for myself. First name and last name. Let's say my name is Tom, and my father's name was Holland. And then you need to put your birthday, and then you need to create a Gmail username. So the next thing you need to do is put your password. You should create a password, and the next thing is click on skip so that you can skip this verification right now. Maybe you can do it later, and then it worked. Click on next. I agree, and finally you create your Gmail account. As you guys can see, you can repeat this method 10 times a day, 100 times a day, more than 100 times a day. So don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.